Hello guys, welcome back to a wonderful video. It's your boy Chimeris. If you are new to my channel, please do it to subscribe. In today's video, I will be teaching you on how to withdraw from FaucetPay. I'm going to teach you how to withdraw, how you can withdraw from there, because I've been receiving a lot of message on how to withdraw from FaucetPay. So I'm just going to open my FaucetPay account. I'm going to open it. Let me open it. So actually I'm going to be teaching you how you can withdraw your money from FaucetPay, because I know you guys have been making a lot of money from the site I showed you guys. If you look right here, you will see the amount of BTC that I have here. I've not been working here. If you look here, you see total payout right here. You see total payout. This is from my referral. If you check down here, you see referral payment. You can see sold. You can see this one. You can see this one. You can see it. This is up to 33 payout like this from my referrals. So my referrals are actually generating all these coin for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw yours. And remember, the minimum withdrawal here for Sol, because I'll show you guys about Sol. So the minimum withdrawal right here is 0.002. You can see it right here. That's the minimum withdrawal. So I'm going to just withdraw this one for the sake of this video. I'm going to withdraw it, then so that you guys can see it. First of all, I'm going to change all my coins to Sol so that I can withdraw everything that is here. I'm going to swap everything. You can look at where I entered. I want to swap all these coins, both BTC, Dodge, everything to so that I can withdraw all of them. So you click these three lines here, click on it, you go to trades, you see drop down, click on coin swap. So when you open it, you are going to select the one you want to convert from. So I want to convert from BTC now. I click on maximum, then I choose where I'm going to convert it to. I click on so. So this is the amount I will receive. So I'm just going to click make exchange right now. You will see it. Your trade has been successful. Please check your account balance right now. So this one has been done. I'm going to go to another one. Let me click on, okay, I have some LTC here, so I'm going to click on maximum, and I'm changing it to Sol here. So I'm going to click on exchange. I'm going to be exchanging all of them. Let me check if I have Bitcoin Cash. Let me check if I have Bitcoin Cash. Okay, I have Bitcoin Cash. I click on maximum. I click on Sol. I click on it. Okay. You can see it's too low. Okay, you can see this one is too low, so I'm going to leave this one. It's too low, so I'm just going to leave that one. Let me go to Dash. This is the sorry. This one is the down one should be okay. Let me do this one first. I click on maximum. I click on make exchange. You can see it. This one worked. I click on Dash. Let me see if I have. Okay, I don't have anything on my Dash. I click on Digibyte. Okay, I click on this one. You can see. Click on maximum. I don't have anything there. I click on Tron. I have some there. I click on maximum. I click exchange. I go to this one. Tech. Click on maximum. I click make exchange. Click on. I don't have anything here. Yes, I don't have anything here. I click on this one. I don't have anything there. I click on the last one, BNB. I think I have something there, and I click make exchange. Okay, I think that's all here. So I'm going to go back to my user dashboard. Let me go back to my user dashboard. You can see I don't have anything here. Okay, I've not done. Okay, let me do this one. This Dogecoin. Let me do Dogecoin. This is to Solana. I click on Dogecoin. Okay, I click on maximum. Okay, I make exchange. Okay, okay, let me go and withdraw. Let me go and withdraw right now. So as you can see, I don't have anything in this coin again, and as you can see the total Solana that I have right now. So I'm going to be withdrawing it to my Trust wallet. You can use any other platform that you want to use, but I want to send it to my Trust wallet. So I will click on withdraw. I'll click on withdraw. Then this one say 4 hours, this one say 5 minutes. So I'm going to use this one. This is the one I want to withdraw. So I'm going to copy my address from Trust wallet. Copy my address from Trust wallet. Let me copy my address from Trust wallet. This is it. I click on copy. Click on copy. Then I put it right here. Okay, they say I should link it. So let me just link it first. You can see address. You see link down. Let me show you what I did. So if you click on withdrawal, you will see this link down here. You see this link down here. Just click on it. Just click on it. So you are going to enter the address here. You just enter. Maybe you write the coin, the name. Let me use my name. Let me use my name and the coin Solana. Okay, I click link. Okay, you can see the address has been linked successfully. So I'm going to click on withdrawal. I'm going to click on withdrawal here. Then I go to withdrawal. Like you can see 5 minutes withdrawal. That is the one I want to do. I want it to come fast. So I'll click on this one, Solana. Then I click on the amount. I click on all. I'm going to click on all. Okay, it's not coming up. So let me just type it by myself. 0.00566 okay, 0.00566 so you can see the fee they are going to charge me right here. I can see the amount I'll be receiving. No problem. So I'm going to click on place withdrawal. You can see what they are saying. We have successfully recorded your withdrawal request. It will be proceeded within the next 5 minutes or less. You can see it right here. So I'm going to pause this video and wait for it to come to my Trust wallet so that you guys can see it here. So you guys can see it here. So I'm going to pause the video. Welcome back. After some minutes, you can see that this Solana. Let me refresh. You can see this Solana have been sent right here. You can see it right here. Solana have been sent. You can see if I click on send, click on maximum, you can see that everything will appear here. You can see that this Solana was sent successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually do this to get the same result. This is how to do it. So just follow my step. You're going to get the same result that I got right here. So guys, do wait to subscribe and stay tuned for other updates. Thanks for watching.